This video, I'm going to show you how to easily book sales calls every single day for your online coaching business. So this can be especially applicable to those who have lead gen as the main problem. Like, you just need to book more sales calls. You know for a fact, hey, if I doubled my sales calls booked, or hey, booked at least 10, 20, 30, 50, 100 a month, I would dramatically change how much money I make every month. All right, if that's you, watch this video. It's going to be extremely tactical. It's literally something that you can do right after watching this video to make progress ASAP. So just for clarification, just so you know who I am, my name is Jack Blythe. I own an online fitness coaching company from 0 to 100K months. We book thousands of sales calls every single day. I own another consulting company where we help online coaches get more leads, sign more clients, where, right now, I have my funnels running for me where I book 3 to 5 sales calls every single day on all about without me lifting a finger. So with that said, let's dive right in. Here's what you need to do. This is the most tactical thing I would do right away. It's daily end of day reports. On a daily basis, very important. So here's what this looks like. So with pen and paper, write out the following every single day. There's no exceptions on this at all. All right, so please do this every single day if you want to get the most from it and actually start booking as much sales calls as possible. So first thing you write out is calls booked, live calls, and client sign. Or live calls, how many people actually show up to the calls. So there's because someone booked a call doesn't mean they're necessarily going to show up, right? So if obviously this is a problem for you right now, it's probably going to be 0. That's fine. We want to gain extreme awareness over this. So it's in front of you every single day. And I want to do this with pen and paper specifically. So then it's going to take you more conscious time and effort to do. Literally pen and paper, get this in front of you. It's going to force you to place more conscious energy on the main problem in your business. All right, we want to do it that way for a reason. Second thing you write out is inputs. So this is what are the actual activities you're doing that would actually contribute towards booking more sales calls. So for example, this can be number of outreach messages sent. This can be how much content you created for the day or posted for the day. This could be your ad spend for the day. Whatever other inputs there are towards you actually getting book calls, whatever that is. These are the most typical ones: outreach, content, ad spend, some collection of that. But write out whatever the inputs are for you. All right. Last thing, what do you need to change going forward to book more calls, if anything? Or what do you need to change to book more calls going forward, if anything? So when you do this on a daily basis, you're going to realize, I'm not sending nearly enough outreach. I'm only sending 10 messages a day or 30 messages a day. I need to send out 100. I didn't create any content today. I need to actually be creating content. My ad spend, I'm not spending any money on ads. I'm only spending $30 a day on ads when I know I need to spend $200 a day. Whatever it is, you're going to realize that first of all. The volume probably just isn't there. That's the first thing. The second thing you might realize is, the efficiency, the actual thing I'm doing, the input I'm doing is just not working. So you could already be spending $200 a day on ads, but if you're not booking any calls from that, there's a problem somewhere with the ads in the funnel. Maybe it's with the ad, maybe it's the landing page, maybe it's the offer, whatever it is, but you got to find out what the problem is. And so what you need to change, this can be a change to the volume of inputs, but also the actual system as well. So maybe you need to change the outreach message, maybe you need to change something in the system to change the stimuli. All right, but doing this every single day, you're going to gain just extreme awareness of what's going on in terms of the number one constraint in your business. Because that's what we need. Look, a lot of times what happens is you just avoid the thing. You avoid that thing that you actually need to do. When your constraint is lead gen, a lot of times I'll obviously work with hundreds of coaches. A lot of them work on something that's just completely irrelevant. They'll work on some project with their website or with their filming and some coaching thing they're working on. And they're just avoiding the main problem in the business because it's the hard things, the thing that they're not confident they can solve. But you need to tackle this. And the easiest way to do it is just awareness and deliberate awareness every single day. All right, so do this. If you do this every day, you're going to gain so much awareness that it's absurd. I even do this, and this helps me drive my revenue goals even more. I would highly recommend this wherever you're at. If you're at 0, if you're at 10K a month, 100K a month, this will help you drive towards your revenue goals. It's just very deliberate practice every single day towards the number one constraint in the business. This is what you need. All right, basically, what's the outcome? What's the inputs? What do I need to change about the inputs going forward to achieve my goals? That's the formula. That is the deliberate practice every single day. So please start doing this. For this one, you also want to brainstorm different ideas as well. So it might be the efficiency, it might be the volume you're talking about. You might need to start something brand new you're not doing. Maybe you're not doing anything in terms of outreach. Maybe you're not doing anything in terms of ads. So you need to start. Do you need to improve something? Maybe you need to actually study from someone who's already done it before, they're very successful. Maybe I can study some outreach methods or some content methods from remote. That could be something that you need to do going forward to change. All right, so get creative here in terms of figuring out solutions for you every single day. When you do this every day, you have deliberate practice. Like put your phone away, just pen and paper, and think deliberately about solutions for your main problem in the business. Like eventually you're going to solve it. But you need the deliberate focus. Like the main problem is you just avoid it. This forces you to actually face the problem and figure out solutions for the problem every single day. So do this, and I guarantee you're going to start to book more sales calls because it's just cause and effect. It's just how it works. Like humans, when they have problems, they're smart, they're intelligent. You can find solutions to your problem, but you just have to actually face the problems. All right, if someone who's overweight, if they stare at the scale every single day, odds are they're going to get more fit because they're just so aware over it. Someone who's broke, if you look at your bank account every single day, odds are going to improve it because you have like hyper awareness towards it. That's what this is replicating right here, hyper awareness and intention. So please do this. It will definitely help you book more calls. If you want extremely tactical, like my plug and play systems for generating leads, booking sales calls overnight without you having to lift a finger, click the link below. I have a full breakdown on how we do it. I actually work personally one-on-one with you to actually install these systems in your business. So click that link below if you are interested. You're online coaching, you want to actually scale your business, get more clients, get more leads. That's my specialty. That's what I do 24/7, 365. So click that link below if you're interested, and I'll see you there.